Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Yamaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can share a video. Remember to subscribe. And the between say fried chicken ice cream, but not chicken. Note. What the rubber sell working surface so. Now what it ice cream a good so. Person say yeah ice cream ah. Oko the description box na link ne da ho. Why we now the chocolate bar ato so and aside rest ato so. We are now the ice cream ni be there akata so. No one form shape no. Please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are like a freezer for 4 hours. And sana waji. O the conflicts be go boom no boom. O boom we pe na wakwayi ice cream say 4 hours na dura. What the conflicts na ye ice cream ni hu nyina. Opa, what the chocolate in by once now what the conflicts na ye den aye ho. Why you no? Now I serve it. Now this our fried chicken ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.